Hello everyone, in this video we'll get started with the algebra of matrices. Okay, so in algebra of matrices, the very first thing we are going to see is, consider a matrix A. So consider matrix A and any scalar value K. Okay, and the matrix obtained by multiplying this scalar value to the matrix A, okay, is called as what? Scalar multiple of matrix A, and is denoted by Ka. So if you want the proper definition, I'll write it down here. Okay, I'll just write it down. So if A is any matrix and K is any scalar, the matrix obtained by multiplying every element of matrix A by the scalar K is called scalar multiple of the matrix A, denoted by Ka. For example, let me consider a matrix A to be equal to 2, 3, 5, minus 1, 4, 6. Okay, then let me multiply each and every element of matrix A with 3, scalar 3 value. It is going to be 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, and this is what? Minus 1, right? So minus 3, 3 4s are 12, 18. Correct? Also, we can multiply this with like half 1 by 2 with the each and every elements of matrix A. So it is going to be 2 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2. This is going to be 1. This is going to be 3 by 2, 5 by 2, and minus 1 by 2, 2 and 3. I hope you understood the scalar multiple of matrix. Correct? And these are the example. Now we will see sum and difference of two matrices. Okay, I'll just scalar multiple of the matrix A. Now I have like sum and difference. Okay, not multiple, sum and difference of two matrices. Okay, so A and B, if matrix A and matrix B are two matrices, okay, this A and B are two matrices of, see here, it should be, of same order. It should be of same order. I'll just highlight this. Two matrices of same order it should be for addition and subtraction, for finding the sum and the differences. So it should be of same order. So their sum is going to be matrix A plus matrix B, and the difference is going to be A minus B. So this is the sum or difference. Okay, sum or difference of corresponding elements. Okay, is of corresponding elements. For example, see, I have a matrix A minus 1, 4, 5, 4. Okay, and B to be equal to 6, 3, 5, minus 4. Then if I add this, A plus B, if I add this, I'll just take the different pen. Okay, so minus 1 plus 6. Okay, I'm adding a plus b, right? Minus 1 plus 6, the first element. The corresponding element, second. This is going to be like a11, a12, a21, a22. So a11, a12, a21. Let me consider b here, okay? Small b, b22. So adding a11 and b11, adding a12 and b12. So 4 plus 3. Here it is going to be 5 plus 5, and here it is going to be 4 minus 4. 4 plus of minus 4. This is minus, right? So the final, it is going to be like 5 minus 1 plus 6. It is 5. 4 plus 3. It is 7. Then 5 plus 5, 10. This is 0. So this is our matrix addition of the two matrices. It should be of the same order. Okay. And now we will see the difference. How to find the difference. So to find the difference, you can see minus 1, minus 4. Sorry, minus 1, minus 6 it should be. I'm so sorry. Okay. A minus B, which is equals to, this is minus 1, minus 6. 4 minus 3, 5 minus 5, 4 minus of minus 4. Okay, and that is going to be a minus b, which is equals to minus 7. This is going to be 1, this is going to be 0, and this is 4. Minus into minus, it is plus. So 4 plus 4 is 8. This is a minus b. Now we will see product of two matrices. Okay, how to find the product of two matrices. So I'll write the definition here. So let's see, if A is a matrix, okay, of order m by n, and B is a matrix of order anything but n by p. Let me consider n by p. Then the product A, B exists and will be a matrix of order m by p. If you have observed, okay, here, okay, the column of first matrix should be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Then the multiplication of two matrices are possible. We can find out the product of the two matrices. And the order of the matrix will be m by p, sorry. So that is row of the number of rows in the first matrix and number of column in the second matrix. So this is going to be the order of the newly generated matrix, I can say, by multiplying, two matrices A and B. I hope you understood. So here row elements, okay, row elements of A are multiplied with the corresponding column elements of B, and they are added. I'll show you what it means, okay. Here row elements of this is multiplied with the column elements of matrix B, and they are all added. So once they are added, we will find the corresponding element. Okay, so let me consider a matrix A is equals to 3, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2. And a matrix here, the order of this matrix is what? Rows are 2 and columns are 3. So 2 by 3. And the matrix B I have, so 1, 0, 3, 2, 4, 6. So rows are 3 and columns are 2. So here this is the column, number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Correct? So order, I'll just write it here, order of matrix A, okay, is equals to 2 by 3, and matrix B is 3 by 2. Then the order of the product of the matrices A, B is going to be what? 2 by 2. Okay, 2 by 2. So the product I can find it as, okay, I can find it as, this is the first row, I'll multiply with first corresponding column, okay, and add the elements. I'll show you how it is done, okay. So if I show that, your confusion will be resolved. So 3 into 1, so 3 into 1, first element of the first row, first element of the first column, okay, plus, I'll just take one more pen, okay, plus 2, second element of the first row, second element of the first column, 2 into 0, okay, and then add it, okay, last element of the first row and last element of the first column. So that you have to multiply. So this, if you add up all this, multiply and add up all this is going to give you the first element of this matrix. And now the second element, okay, the first row and the second column you have to multiply. So it is going to be like 3 into 2 plus 2 into 4, okay, plus 1 into 6. Understood? So first row, first column and second column done. Now second row, first column and first column and second column we have to do. So 2 into 1 plus 4 into 0 plus 2 into 3, okay. Now this row and this column, so it is going to be 2 into 2 plus 4 into 4 plus 2 into 6, okay. Now add up all this, multiply and add up all this, so we will get the final answer. So it is going to be 3 ones are 3, 0 plus 3. So this is going to be 3 plus 3, 6. Okay, 3 twos are 6 and 2 fours are 8. So 6 and 8, it is going to be 14. 14 plus 6, it is 20. Okay, and if you add up these, 2 ones are 2, 0, 2 and 6, it is going to be like 8, and this is 4, 16 and 12, it is going to be 32. Okay, this is how we get the product of a matrix. Okay, and this is a 2 by 2 or 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, I hope you understood this. We can also do B cross A, and okay, let me give you this as an assignment. Okay, you do it and just tell me what is the order of this matrix is going to be in the comment section, and also if it is possible, just comment it down the answer what we are going to get B cross A. Okay, so it's fine. I have already asked you the order, right? So if I write down the matrix, you'll get to know the order. Okay, so I'll be waiting for this answer. Okay, and I will surely I will reply you back for this if you got it right, and if you didn't got it right, it is okay, no problem. I'll tell you where you might have done wrong if you explain me where like what all the steps you have followed. Okay, and also if you want to know the properties of the matrix multiplication, let me know, I'll do that as well. Okay, so we'll get started with the problems from the next video, so stay tuned for more exciting and happy learning journey. Okay.